whispers dancing in the breeze, every trail a story untold, a rainforest heart of green and gold. Through the valleys wild and free, nature sings in harmony. Every raindrop lights the way, calling me to seize the day. Step by step the forest knows where every hidden river flows. I leave my worries far behind to find the peace I couldn't find. I'm chasing dreams through emerald skies where ancient forests never die. Dihing Patkai, forever bright, the Amazon of the eastern light. Who kind Judy, your spirit calls beyond the hills and waterfalls. With every breath my heart will say, I'm home within your wild embrace. Hornbills soar above the trees, butterflies ride gentle breeze. Every leaf and every vine writes a song beyond all time. Hidden streams and mountain rain wash away my fear and pain. Nature paints the world anew, every path begins with you. No walls can hold a wandering soul, the forest makes the broken whole. It's timeless rhythm, strong and true, forever calling me to you. I'm chasing dreams through emerald skies where endless wonder fills my eyes. Dihing Patkai, shining free, a living world of mystery. The Amazon of the East will stand a precious gift to every land. Forever wild, forever free, your song will always live in me. Where the rain and rivers meet, every journey feels complete. In Dihing Patkai's endless green lives the greatest place I've ever seen.